Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jacob Jenkins, and today we are checking out a 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner and a 1967 Chevrolet Corvette. I'm here with my buddy Eric. He's gonna walk us through these cars.
No problem.
Take her away.
So 70 Plymouth Roadrunner, automatic transmission, big block 440 cubic inch with 3 two-barrel carburetors known as the 6-pack. And let's see if she starts up.
Yeah, let's go for it.
Might have a take two. We'll see. So we'll just take this bad boy up around the block and come back in a minute. Let's see. Yeah, we'll go up this way because the speed camera's going that way.
Gotcha. Here we go. Woo! Oh shit! Woo!
Sorry, not adequately warmed up.
Yay! Woo!
So this is a matching number engine and transmission. So it's the original engine, original transmission.
Nice.
There are some aftermarket parts on it for sure, because back in the day all we did was modify these things. So it's pretty original.
Yeah.
The most important parts are original. Let's see if we can get this guy out of the way with a little Roadrunner horn.
Where'd you end up finding it from?
This was a guy down in Richmond, Virginia area. He had a barn full of about 8 or 10 of these kind of things, and he was getting rid of a few of them, so I picked the one that I thought was the best, and that's where we went with it. He had a similar one which I like better, which was 4-speed, but it had a white interior, and I just do not like white interiors.
The black looks good, yeah.
White interiors are fine if they're super clean and new, but they tend not to hold up all that well. They get very, very brown and okay. So that is this guy, and
Yes,
then
sir.
in a few, we'll put this away, and then in a few minutes we're going to go ahead and start the other one up.
There you go.
So the second one here is a 67 Corvette, base engine, 327, 300 horsepower. So you can look at that. It's nothing exciting to look at.
Nice. Good little small block.
Oh yeah, the 327 engine might be the best engine they made. So predictable. Sorry about that. Woo. So this one never gives me any trouble. Never gives me any trouble. So if you want, we can scoot around in this one a little bit.
Yeah.
Let's do that.
Let's get to it. This is my dream Corvette.
Oh yeah?
Got to take it over a C3. I just love the C2s, man.
This one's a 4-speed, obviously, and only thing not original is the radio, which is fine.
So what's the biggest thing that stands out to you about, driving like a 60s sports car?
Well, they don't handle all that well. No power steering.
Yeah.
This has bias ply tires. Let them get ahead of us a little bit. Bias ply tires, which don't handle all that well.
Oh my God. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, for a small block, it goes pretty good because it doesn't have any weight it's carrying.
Yeah.
The heaviest
Oh my
heaviest thing in it is the half tank of gas.
God damn. She pulls.
Oh yeah.
Jesus.
No, this thing goes.
Oh my God. And that's the small block.
That's a small block.
The small block.
These
Jesus.
things with a big block are suicide cars if you drive it to have fun,
Yeah.
because they really have tons and tons of power. Like I said, they got, you got no weight.
Slinging it around.
Yeah, this
That's
thing
amazing.
The thing weighs. You're sitting on the ground. It weighs half as much as those other cars do. So, fiberglass doesn't weigh very much.
Right.
But I really generally don't drive them very hard.
Right.
I have fun with them. What's the sense of having it if you're not going to have fun with it? But
yeah.
by the same token, you don't want to drive like a maniac. They
Exactly.
don't handle well enough. You don't want to be unsafe. So
No airbag.
No airbag. No handling. No power steering. No power brakes.
Go fast in a straight line.
Goes in a straight line. If you're going to take a curve, you better have plenty of runway.
So is C2 Corvettes your favorite body style? Is that way?
It is mine. I like the C1 also.
Nice.
I like the ones with the white cove, which they made through 61. They had the cove through 62, but it wasn't white. It was same color as the body. I didn't like that. But the C1s had a much smaller engine and didn't have the same drive.
I think I'd go convertible too, though.
Yeah, for these I like convertible. For the Roadrunner, I prefer hardtop. For Camaros and Barracudas and things like that, I prefer a hardtop personally. But I like the convertible for the Corvette.
Yeah.
And I also like the sound of the side pipes.
Oh yeah. Oh, I love that. How they're right by the door. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Maybe we'll get lucky here.
Back on it. Yeah.
Woo!
Oh man. Damn. My God.
All right.
That was awesome.
Here you go.
I've never been in something this fast. So.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Well, modern cars are really much faster. These old cars,
Yeah.
they're fast and they're fun, but since they handled not so well,
Yeah.
I mean, you can get a new Corvette or a new
Oh, I'm sure these are
BMW or
long.
Mercedes, and you can get yourself going much quicker. Much quicker. All right, I'm gonna put you to work now. You're gonna help me cover this thing up.
Yeah. Gotcha.